Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to beat Ace Attorney Turnabout Sisters. To start, you must thoroughly investigate Mia Fey's office. Look for key items like the attorney's badge and the crime photo. Speaking with Detective Gumshoe will provide vital initial details about the case. Pay close attention to every piece of information and evidence you uncover, as it will be crucial for your first trial day. Remember, every detail matters. During your first trial day, you will face the witness April May. It is essential to meticulously cross-examine her testimony, looking for any contradictions. When she claims to be asleep, present the wiretap evidence to reveal her lies about overhearing the murder. Also, highlight her suspicious actions concerning the hotel room, as this will further weaken her credibility. Stay sharp and press every statement. After the first trial, a second investigation phase begins. Head to the Gatewater Hotel and thoroughly search April May's room for new evidence. You will find a crucial receipt there. Present this receipt to the bellboy to obtain his vital testimony, which will shed more light on the case. With this new information, you can then confront Red White, putting significant pressure on him to reveal more. In the final trial, your goal is to expose Red White as the true culprit. Cross-examine his testimony rigorously, looking for any inconsistencies or lies. Present the thinker clock, which he stole, and the hotel receipt to firmly connect him to the crime scene. Finally, use the photo of the murder weapon to definitively prove his guilt and secure a victorious verdict for your client. Good luck, attorney.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.